ሰላም የቻናል ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናቸው? ዛሬ የባለፈውን የጎንደር ዩኒቨርሲቲ ሶስተኛ ፓርቲ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። ለቻናሉ አዲስ የሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ፣ ሼር ኤንድ ኮሜንት እያደረጋችሁ ተከተሉ። እንግዲህ ካቆምንበት እንጀምራለን ማለት ነው። 18ኛው ጥያቄ የሚለው let the R be the relation on n defined by R is equal to order p x y such that x to x plus y is equal to 8 ነው የሚለው then the range of R is which one is the range ነው የሚለው so የተሰጠን ጥያቄ ላይ R is defined the relation R is defined from set of natural number to set of natural number from set of natural number to set of natural number defined የሆነ የተፈለገው ደግሞ range ነው ማለት ነው range ነው ማለት ነው የተፈለገው so range means y part of the second order pair ማለት ነው second order pair y ማለት ነው which is 8 minus 2x ነው 8 minus 2x so substituting the x values so when x is equal to x is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1 what will be the y value y is equal to 8 minus 2 which is 6 and when x is equal to 2 y is equal to y becomes 8 minus 2 times 2 which is 4 8 minus 4 y is equal to 4 when x is equal to 3 when x is equal to 3 y is equal to 8 minus 2 times 3 is 6 8 minus 6 which is equal to 2 so when x is equal to 4 y becomes y is equal to 8 minus 2 times 4 is 8 which is 8 so which is 0 but clearly 0 is not an element in the set of natural numbers even when we extend the value of x when x is equal to 5 ለአምስት ራሱ ብንሰራ እስኪ እንየው ለአምስት ብንሰራ x is equal to 5 y becomes what y becomes 8 minus 2 times 5 is 8 10 2 times 5 is 10 therefore which is how much which is minus 2 minus 2 is not a natural number minus 2 is not a natural number so which is not a natural number so therefore what are the range values which is 2 and 4 6 are the range values so from the alternative የትኛው ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው a ነው ማለት ነው የሚሆነው መልሱ 2 4 6 ነው ማለት ነው the range will be this one the next one is a contrapositive of the preposition if the weather is cold then Enoch dislike playing football አሁን if p is given the weather is the weather is cold and Q is Enoch dislike playing football playing football. Playing football. So these are P and Q. Then the contrapositive meaning. Contrapositive meaning. P implies Q. If you have given P implies Q, P implies Q ሰጠንና contrapositive meaning ማለት ነው negation of Q implies negation of P ማለት ነው. This is the contrapositive. የዚህ converse Q over Q implies P ነው. Q implies P ነው. Inverse ደግሞ negation of P implies negation of Q. So the contrapositive is always the converse of an inverse or the inverse of a converse. So negation of Q implies negation of P is the contrapositive. So negation of Q is what? Negation of Q is Enoch dislike playing football. Enoch like, which means Enoch if Enoch like playing football, then the weather is not cold. Then the weather is not cold. The weather is not cold. The weather is not cold. So this is the contrapositive. So if Enoch like playing football, here if Enoch like playing football, then the weather is not cold. If the weather is not cold, the Enoch like playing football, it's inverse. If Enoch dislike playing football, the weather is cold. Sorry. If Enoch dislike playing football, then weather is cold. It's just it's a converse. The inverse. This one is a contrapositive. And if Enoch like playing football, then the weather is cold. P like inverse negation of P አልሰሙትም እንጂ ዲም ያለው possibility ነበር. So the CC is the alternative. The correct alternative is the converse of the statement. The next question is let g of f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 1 and g of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Then f of x is nominal. We have given the composite function and the outer function is given internal function. So g of x is g of f of x is given like this one. G of f of x is given like this one, which is 2x squared minus 1. And g of x is which is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Now we need to find g of f of x. G of f of x is the same as g of f of x is the same as 2 times f of x plus 1. Times f of x plus 1. So which is 2 times f of x, 2 times f of x plus 1, which is equal to a composite function, which is 2x squared minus 1, not available. 2x squared minus 1, not available. So 2 times f of x is equal to 2 times f of x is equal to 1, and what is the side sinus that, which becomes 2 x squared minus 1 የምትሆነው so which is the same as 2x square minus 2 ነው የሚሆነው so which is the same as taking 2 as common x square minus 1 so dividing by 2 f of x becomes now by when they are dividing by 2 or cancelling 2 by 2 x square minus 1 we have left x square minus 1 we have left so this is f of x clearly you can see that f of x is x square minus 1 so which is the alternative D is x square minus 1 is the correct answer. The next one of the following has discontinuity at x is equal to 1. One of the following has the discontinuity at x equal to 1. f የመጀመሪያው ምርጫ f of x is x minus 1 over x square minus 1 which is the same as x minus 1 over x square minus 1 is the same as x minus 1 times x plus 1 so x minus 1 by x minus 1 will be cancelled and so what's left is x plus 1 b ላይ ያለው x plus 1 over x square minus 1 which is the same as x plus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 1 so which is cancelled this one so what's left 1 over x minus 1 the next one is x square minus 1 over x plus 1 which is the same as x minus 1 times x plus 1 factorize እናደርገው x plus 1 over x plus 1 so this x plus 1 cancel by this one so what's left x minus 1 is left and the last one is which is x square minus 1 over x minus 1 so which is the same as x minus 1 times x plus 1 over x minus 1 so x minus 1 by x minus 1 is cancelled so what's left is x plus 1 so these are the alternatives from these alternatives which one is the discontinuous at x is equal to 1 which one is discontinuous at x is equal to 1 so when you are substituting x equal to 1 it becomes 1 over 2 it's not discontinuous when we substitute x is equal to 1 it becomes 1 over 0 so 1 minus 1 is 0 it's 1 over 0 is undefined so it's discontinuous at 1 and these two are not discontinuous because they are polynomial functions therefore discontinuity is exists on the second B choice B is a correct answer it's discontinuous at x is equal to 1 the next question is on if cos theta is equal to minus 1 and the theta is between pi over 2 and pi then the value of sine theta is how much so cos theta is equal to is given minus 1 cos theta is equal to minus 1 where this የት ጋር ነው cos theta 1 የሚሆነው cos theta 1 የሚሆነው እዚህ ጋር 1 0 አለ 1 0 አለ 1 0 አለ እዚህ ጋር 0 1 አለ እዚህ ጋር 0 1 አለ እዚህ ጋር 0 1 አለ እዚህ ጋር minus 1 0 አለ minus 1 0 አለ እዚህ ደግሞ እቺኛው ጋር ደግሞ 0 0 minus 1 አለ 0 minus 1 አለ clearly እንደምናየው cos theta is equal to minus 1 ይሰጣል ሁልጊዜም ኦርደር ፔድ ላይ ኮስ ቴታ ኮስ ቴታ ኮማ ሳይን ቴታ ነው ኦርደሩ ኦርደር ፔር ኤክስ ኮማ ዋይ ኦርደር ፔሩ ኮስ ቴታ ሳይን ቴታ ነው ኮስ ቴታ ሳይን ቴታ ነው የሚቀመጥ ሰው የመጀመሪያ ኦርደር ላይ ያለው ኤሌመንት የኮስ ቴታ ነው ሰው ኮስ ቴታ ቫልዩ እዚህ ጋር ነው ያለው ፓይ which is pi ማለት ነው which is pi ማለት ነው so theta is pi ማለት ነው theta is pi if so what would be no then the value of sin theta over 2 ነው የሚለው so the value of sin theta over 2 ምንድን ነው sin theta over 2 theta is how much አግኝተናታል theta pi over pi ነች so sin which implies that which is the same as sin pi over 2 ማለት ነው sin pi over 2 ነው ማለት ነው sin pi over 2 ማለት ነው sin pi over 2 ስንት ነው sin pi over 2 ማለት 90 ዲግሪ ነው የመጀመሪያው ኮምፖነንት ኮስ ነው ሁለተኛው ሳይን ነው ስለዚህ 1 ነው ማለት ነው which is equal to 1 ነው ማለት ነው so from alternatives D is the correct answer D is the correct answer the next one is given f of x is equal to px cubed plus x squared minus 17x plus q where p and q are constants suppose that dividing f of x by x minus 2 and x minus 1 leave the same remainder what is the value of p so given the function ሰጥቶናል p እና q constant ናቸው suppose that the function f has factors x minus 2 and x minus 1 with the same remainder giving the same remainder ተመሳሳይ remainder የሚሰጡ ሁለት ፋክተሮችን ሰጥቶናል what is the value of p ነው የሚለው ስለዚህ f of x is what f of x is px cubed plus x squared minus 17x plus q ነው የተሰጠን and p and q are constants and two factors with the same remainder x is equal to 2x minus 2 እና x minus 2 እና x is equal to x minus 1 are factors with the same remainder is equal to 1 with the same remainder which means that f of 2 is equal to what f of 2 is equal to f of 1 ማለት f of 2 is equal to f of 1 they will give the same remainder k ማለት ነው the same remainder k ሰጥቷል ማለት f of 2 እና f of 1 they have the same remainder k ማለት ነው so ምን ይሆናል አሁን let's substitute x is equal to 2 x is equal to 1 on the value of p ማለት on the value of f ላይ substitute so p times 2 cubed to p times 2 cubed plus 2 square minus 17 times 2 plus q which is the same as p times 1 cubed which is 1 cubed is 1 cubed plus 1 square which is 1 square minus 17 times 1 plus q so plus q so which is 8 times p plus 4 minus 34 plus q is equal to p plus 1 minus 17 plus q so q by q is cancelled 8p minus p minus 4 minus 34 is minus 30 which is equal to 1 minus 17 is minus 60 which is minus 16 so 7p is equal to what 7p is equal to minus 16 plus 13p 30 minus 16 plus 30. So 7p is equal to how much? 7p is equal to 40. 7p is equal to 40. So solving for p, the p solves which is 2 which is 2. So the value of p is 2. The value of p is 2. So the choice 7, 8, 9, 10, and none of the above is a solution. None of the above is a solution. So this is how to find if a polynomial function is given with constants and with the factors of the polynomial function, we can find the constants. In the other part is part 3, which has a short answer. So given short answer in precise and simplified form, the measurement if it is given that sine theta is equal to 4/5 and cos beta is equal to 3/5 for an acute angle theta and beta, then evaluate sine theta minus beta and the cos to theta. So what's sine theta minus beta? What's sine theta minus beta? What this formula? Sine theta minus beta is sine theta times cos beta minus sine beta times cos theta. This is sine theta minus cos theta. And cos 2 theta is the same as cos theta plus theta. Cos theta plus theta is the same as cos theta plus theta. Cos theta plus theta is the same as cos theta plus ሲሆን ማይነስ ይሆናል ማይነስ sin theta ቴታ አንግሎቹ ተመሳሳይ ናቸው sin theta ያው በቀላሉ እንዴት እንደሚመጣ ላሳያችሁ ፎርሙላውን ከረሳችሁት በዚህ መልኩ ማምጣት ነው which cos theta is what cos square theta is cos square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta minus sin square theta minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. And we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta square theta is equal to how much? Is equal to 1. So let's sin square theta which is cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta which is cos square theta. So ይሄን arrange ስናደርገው 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos to theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. አሁን sin theta እና cos beta ተሰጥቶናል። sin theta እና cos beta ተሰጥቶናል። So using right angle triangle የሌሎቹን መፈለግ አለብን ማለት ነው። So which is a right angle triangle which is theta ነው ብለን so theta ማን ይሰጠን theta sin theta is 44/5. Sin theta is given. Sin theta is 4/5 ተሰጥቶናል 4/5 ተሰጥቶናል 4/5 which is opposite to 4 ሆኖ hypotenuse ደግሞ 5 የሆነ ማለት ነው። So 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 minus 16 is 9 which is ይሄኛው ስንት የሆነ ማለት ነው 3 የሚሆነ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ cos theta ምንድነው? Cos theta is how much? Cos theta is equal to how much? 3/5 which is 3/5 ማለት 3/5 ይሆናል ማለት ስለዚህ 3/5 ይሆናል። cos beta ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር አለን cos beta ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር አለን የቤታን ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ብንሰራ cos beta is given beta ቢሆን similar የሆነ ነገር እንሰጠን cos beta is given cos beta is equal to 3 over 5 እንሰጠን 3 over 5 ተሰጥቶናል ስለዚህ 3 እዚህ ጋር 3 ይሄ 5 ነው ስለዚህ ይሄ ማን ነው ማለት ነው 4 ነው ይሄኛው 4 ነው ማለት so sin beta ምንድነው ማለት ነው sin beta is 4 over 5 sin beta is 4 over 5 ነው ማለት ነው sin beta is 4 over 5 አሁን ወደ ጥያቄው እንግባ sin theta minus beta sin theta minus beta which is substituting those values sin theta minus beta sin theta minus beta sin theta minus beta is sin theta is 4 over 5 sin theta is 4 over 5 times sin theta cos beta is 3 over 5 minus clearly minus ነው እዚህ ያለው minus sin beta is 4 over 5 times sin theta cos theta is 3 over 5 which is 3 over 5 which is 3 over 5 እንደምታዩት ነው 3 over 5 so clearly ሁለቱን ስታቀናንሱ ምን ታገኛላችሁ 0 ታገኛላችሁ ማለት ነው cos theta ደግሞ cos 2 theta ማለት 2 times cos square theta ነው 2 times cos square theta ነው which is 2 times cos square theta is how much cos square theta is 3 which is 3 over 5 square minus 1 so which is 2 times 3 over 5 is 9 over 25 which is 18 over 25 minus 1 18 over 25 minus which is the same as 18 minus 25 over 25 18 minus 25 is how much 18 minus 25 is minus 7 which is minus 7 so which is minus 7 over 25 so this is the values የዚህኛው 0 ነው የዚህ ደግሞ minus 7 over 25 minus 7 over 25 minus 7 over 25 this is how to find the angles on this one the other one is evaluate the following cos hyperbolic ln 2 ነው ያለን cos hyperbolic ln 2 አሁን what's cos hyperbolic x is equal to cos hyperbolic x is equal to x in base e minus plus is minus x in base e over 2 cos hyperbolic if so which is for this one it becomes ln 2 in base e plus minus ln 2 in base e over 2 so which is the same as ln 2 in base e plus ln to the power of minus 1 ln to the power of minus 1 over 2 ማለት ነው ln to the power of minus 1 and natural logarithm function and natural exponential functions are inverse of each other so that is the power of ln x is always x and ln e raised to x is also x because they are inverse of each other so that for this value it becomes 2 plus to the power of minus 1 over 2 to the power of minus 1 over 2 which is the same as 2 plus 1 over 2 2 plus 1 over 2 over 2 minus 2 plus 1 over 2 over 2 no, which is the same as taking 2 as well 4 plus 1 over 2 over 2 over 1 so which is the same as which is 5/2 5/2 times 1/2 crisscross እናደርገው ይሄን ማለት ነው so it becomes 5/4 it becomes 5/4 ማለት ነው which is 5/4 so this one is 5/4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው which is 5/4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው the other one 3 cos hyperbolic square x times 1/3 sin hyperbolic square x so 3 cos hyperbolic square x times 1/3 cos sin hyperbolic square x so which is the same as 3 cos hyperbolic square x times 3 the power of minus 1 3 the power of minus 1 1/3 ማለት 3 the power of minus 1 ማለት sin hyperbolic square x ማለት ነው so which is the same as 3 cos hyperbolic square x times 3 minus sin hyperbolic square x ማለት ነው hyperbolic square so the base are the same now the base are the same so we can get the exponent so 3 which is the same as 3 cos hyperbolic square x minus sin hyperbolic square x and cos hyperbolic square x minus sin hyperbolic square x is 1 so which is the same as 3 is the power of 1 which is the same as 3 is the power of 1 which is 3 so the solution for this one is also 3 the solution for this one is also 3 I think ለዛሬ በቃናል በሚቀጥለው የቀረውን ወርክ አውት እና የቀረውን ሾርት አንሰር እንሰራለን ላይክ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ጠብቁኝ ከሌላ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ፈተናዎች ያሏችሁ ደግሞ ፈተናዎችን ታች ከዲስክሪፕሽኑ ታች ላይ ቴሌግራም ቻናል ላይ አለ እዛ ጋር ሼር ታደርጉ ይችላልላችሁ እኔ እንደዚህ ሰርቼ እዚሁ ለቅላችኋለሁ ማለት ነው ላይክ ሼር ያደርጋችሁ ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አድርጓችሁ በተለያየ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ውስጥ የሚገኙ ኢትዮጵያ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ውስጥ የሚገኙ ተማሪዎች ይሄን ኤክስፒሪየንስ ያገኙ ቢሄዱ ጥሩ ይመስለኛል ለፈተና ቢገቡ ጥሩ ይመስለኛል ስለዚህ ሼር ያደርጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ